Yo, what's up, Tech Squad? It's your boy, HisTransform here, and if you're not hyped right now, buckle up, because Vivo just dropped the wildest leak for the X300 series. We're talking a phone that smashes over 4 million on AnTuTu, like 4 million points, guys. That's not just fast, that's leaving your current flagship in the dust. If you're rocking an X200 or eyeing the iPhone 17, this is gonna make you rethink everything. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down, and trust me, by the end, you'll be counting down to October like it's Christmas. Let's dive in. First off, that benchmark, straight from Vivo's product manager on Weibo. Han Boxiao spilled the tea, and it's legit. The X300 Pro hits 4,011,932 on AnTuTu V11. Break it down. CPU over 1 million, GPU crushing 1.5 million. For context, the X200 Pro was at like 2.5 million last year. That's a 60% jump, powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chip. All big cores, clocked high, ready to trade blows with Qualcomm's next Snapdragon Elite. Imagine gaming on Genshin Impact or editing 4K vids without a stutter. Vivo saying Android's catching Apple and we're leading the pack. Wild, right? If you love raw power, this is your sign to upgrade. Now, the base X300, oh man, this one's a game changer. It's replacing the X200 Pro Mini, but even sleeker. Picture a pocketable 6.31-inch 8T LTPO display, curved edges for that premium vibe, and it dips to 1 nit brightness for late night scrolls without burning your eyes. That's Apple-level eye comfort, but on Android. Under the screen, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, way faster than those optical ones that ghost you. And the camera, an APO periscope telephoto lens for zoom shots that make your selfies look pro, plus a faster USB port, probably USB 3.2 for transferring huge files in seconds. If you hate big phones like me, this is the compact king we've been begging for. Vivo read our minds. All right, Pro model, here's where it gets juicy. The X300 Pro's got the biggest X-axis linear vibration motor Vivo's ever used in an X-series phone. Haptics, it's gonna feel like a MIDI game controller. Typing, notifications, gaming, everything's gonna buzz just right, no weak rattles. And get this, a new signal booster chip. Wi-Fi and cell signal, crystal clear, even in dead zones or crowded spots. No more drop calls mid-rant. Storage nerds, listen up. World's first dual UFS 4.1 4-lane setup. Read and write speeds up 70% over last gen. Apps launch instantly, and your 1 terabyte of photos load like magic. Battery life's gotta be epic too. Rumors say 6,500 milliamps or more with 90-watt charging. This thing's built to last all day. Comparisons? Let's talk. Against the iPhone 17, Vivo's stealing that low brightness display crown and matching it with better zoom cams. Think 200 megapixel periscope, Zeiss tuned for portraits that pop. Samsung's S25 might edge out on software polish, but with this Dimensity chip, Vivo's closing the gap on speed. Versus the X200, it's a glow up, slimmer bezels, flatter display option, and that satellite comms edition for off-grid vibes. Vivo's redefining flagships.